Hello everyone, I finally landed in Bangkok, Thailand. Welcome to the heart of Bangkok's vibrant Siam district, where modern elegance meets traditional charm. Join me as I explore iconic landmarks like the Siam Design Hotel, Platinum Mall, Siam Center, and Siam Discovery. Dive into the bustling energy of Siam Square and indulge in authentic Thai boat noodles from Thong Smith. Plus, experience the city from a different perspective with a scenic boat ride to IconSiam. Get ready to immerse yourself in the essence of Bangkok Siam, where every moment is an adventure. Okay, so I just made it into my room. Let's see if it looks like the pictures online, and it does. Has a pretty big bed, a little couch area, and let's see. Hello, made it. Let's see if I have a view. Let's see if I have a view. I do. Wow. And the sun is just about to go down. Wow, it's gorgeous. I love this view. They have coffee mugs, very cute. Reusable drinking water. A teapot. Let's see, what else do they have? What is this? Oh, here's some chips or snacks if you want. So, if you have any late night munchies, if you want to pay for it, you definitely can. They do provide a safe, so that's kind of nice. And this really cool looking lamp. And I love my view. I think this is such a gorgeous view. I just love my view. Look at that. The sun is about to set. That's just gorgeous. I need to get some food though, but here is my bed. Let me see if it's hard or soft. Let me test it out. It's not bad. I mean, considering Asia, they have really hard beds. Let's see about the bathroom. Okay, so here is the sink. Quite a small sink. Okay. Hello, here is the mirror. Oh, they do provide toiletries, so that's kind of nice. So there's a toilet. There's the tub. I wish they also had a separate shower, but that's okay. That's okay. Here we go, and a full-size mirror. I love it. Good morning, beautiful people. It's a new day in Thailand. Yesterday I landed later in the evening and I was so tired, but I did manage to go and walk around my area. I'm over by the stadium, and let me just show you how close I am. Let me flip this around. I literally can see the stadium. If there's a game, I can watch it right from my room. And this is actually not bad. I have to say the bed was super comfy, and I haven't slept on a soft bed in almost over a year since coming to Asia. My view from my room during the daytime is a bit cloudy right now. I think it's going to rain, but hopefully it will stop. Actually, the hotel is really nice. The decor is really nice. The people, the staff, so kind and hospitable. I mean, amazing. I have to say Thai people are some of the nicest people I've ever encountered. The bed is super comfy. So the bathroom's a little bit outdated. The decor is nice. They don't have any USB charges, but they do have universal plug outs, or what do you call that? Universal outlets. That's it. I'm having a brain fart too early. I need to go get some coffee. And I need a little bit of food because I'm overwhelmed by all these different stores. I think I'm a little bit dysregulated. I don't know if anybody gets overstimulated, but I'm definitely overstimulated. Let me show you my food. Got kapow and a nice runny egg. First bite, can you see? I don't really know how to use this Osmo Pocket 3 I recently bought. Test this. Yep. Yeah, I did it! Finally! This is the sauce for the pork and shrimp wonton. Cilantro and onions. Pepper, which I'm just gonna put the whole thing in because I like it spicy. I think this is sugar. Okay, I have the fried garlic and fried onions. Put that in there. Here is the broth. Yes, it's gonna be so good. So good. They do have a rule at most hotels in Thailand, and that is the only food that's restricted is durian, because durian has a very strong smell. So they do have that policy here. It's just the durian. Everything else is okay. Oh my goodness, you guys, I put way too much pepper into this boat noodle soup. My mouth is on fire. I just wish they would have provided me a bowl instead of this thing, this square, because it's really hard to eat from, but it's delicious. It's really yummy. If I could just get a piece of noodle to show you. Here we go. First bite. I meant first bite for you. So good. I'm so happy. This is what I came to Thailand for. The boat noodles. Oh my goodness, this spicy food. And I can't wait to try the mango sticky rice and also have Thai tea later tonight. Actually, I'm gonna go to market later tonight, night market. Bye-bye. I'm right now at the Siam Center. Had to go to Sephora because I ran out of my favorite sunscreen. And I was able to find it here. Oh, man, Bangkok, they are serious about their malls. I love it, actually. Let me see. Let me turn you around. Finally made it to Cassette Coffee Shop that I've been wanting to try for a while since I heard about it. Today has been a crazy day, but I'm just so thankful that I've been able to do all the things I wanted to do. The only thing that I have left to do, well, actually a couple of things. I want to go to IconSiam and see the light show, and I also wanted to go and do my nails. Now, I did find the nail place, but they were booked, and it was a really cute place. I wish I would have set an appointment, but I'll be going to Tokyo Nail instead, hopefully if I can find it. But this caramel macchiato is so good. I'm so thankful for air conditioning. And I'm so thankful that I found this place just by chance. I mean, I've been wanting to go, but wasn't sure if I was going to be able to find it or not. And I found it. I'm so thankful that I did. Hi guys, guess what? I just got a mani and pedi at the BTS station, at the 6th stop from the Siam BTS station. I forget what station this is, but anyways, I can't believe they have like a nail and pedi shop right at the station. I'm gonna take a boat to IconSiam after getting my nails done. This will be interesting, taking a boat ride.